Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick update on the Turbo Valiant situation here. It is back up and running and on its feet. I know it's been a while, but so it has a new rebuilt 727 in it. What else did we do with it? Replaced the old 7¼ rear end, which is there, with an 8¼ that we got from the junkyard and cleaned up a little bit. Anyway, it's got only 271 gears in it, but hopefully that'll be good for the turbo. I still got to swap out the tires because I had to go to the other bolt pattern back there for the rims with the bigger rear end. So got to swap the old tires on there, and engine is back together and running pretty good. Big thanks to Kevin for helping me weld and grind and whatever to get a bunch of the shift linkage straightened out. There was a bunch of changes that went on with the 727 regarding the linkage, and just because of the bigger size of the transmission itself. Got the steering column all modified and converted to power steering. We ended up just cutting the shaft. You can't really see that, but oh, there we go. So we ended up just cutting the shaft off of the I think a Dodge Dart was in the junkyard with manual steering, and then welded the shaft and put a coupler over it and welded that. So it seems to be working out good so far. What else? A little more tweaking on the exhaust. I still got the Flowmasters on it. I may switch those out to some turbo mufflers after a little while, just to quiet things down. It's still a little on the loud side, but it's running pretty good. I drove it about 25 miles last night total, and no hiccups. Once I got the exhaust was a little loose and came down at first, but once I got that straightened out, it seemed to be pretty good. So let's see if we can't go for a little ride. Drive pretty good. The 271 gears in it are pretty darn low, so it really stretches its legs. Doesn't turn much RPM, just cruising.